I have struggled for more than 3 months just to remove my phone from private number. Whenever I am calling someone, they keep complaining that the phone, my number keeps showing private. So for this video, I'm just going to explain how to go about the process. So watch this video to the end and don't skip any part so that I don't do another thing. So let's get started. So here I'm using Infinix Smart 7 Pro, and this system works in virtually all Android phones. All Android phones, the system works. I don't know for iOS, but this actually works in almost all Android phones, okay? Follow this step-by-step guide, all right? So the first thing you have to do is to go to your settings. You can type settings right at the top here. You can type settings right there, okay? As soon as you type that settings, just type settings here. It's going to load up this. Go ahead and click on settings here. And then as soon as you click on that settings, just scroll down to where you have network settings. You have to search for where you have the SIM and network settings right here, okay? You tap on it. Then you have to scroll down. You have to scroll down. So, all right, you tap on it again. Then you have to scroll down to where you have these call settings at the bottom right there, okay? You tap on that call settings, all right? Then as soon as you tap on that call settings, you have to scroll down to where you have this career features, okay? You tap on these career features. As soon as you tap on that career features, you have to click on the SIM, the particular SIM you want to unhide. Here you can see MTN, you can see Glo. So you click on either MTN. So I want to unhide MTN, so I'll click on it. You now finally tap on where you have these additional settings. You see these additional settings. This is where you will tap, okay? So you tap on it and then you allow this to reload, okay? You allow this to load up. It takes just few seconds to do that, all right? Now as soon as it loads up, you just have to go to where you have this caller ID. This is where it is, okay? You click on it. As soon as you click on it, you have to now select. Before, my SIM was on here. Before, this was showing this, it was toggled to this middle one, which is hide number, but I now had to remove it from hide number and placed it on this show number before my number started displaying in people's phone as normal, the way it has to be whenever I am calling, okay? So this is just basically how you unhide your number from your Android phone, okay? So don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and if you enjoy this video, see you in the next video.